Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this Beachy wave gradient design. We're going to start applying a base coat. And we're going to use this light blue as a base. For a gradient, I'd usually use the lightest color, but in this case I'm using a different light blue because the one I use for the gradient stains my nails. Let's clean up the cuticles and add some liquid latex to protect the skin around our nails. Now for the gradient, I'm going to use an electric blue polish, a dark teal polish, and a light blue polish, all with a metallic finish. And we're gonna add some lines of each polish to a surface you don't care about or you can clean up later. Using a fan brush, I'm going to mix the colors a little bit, and then we brush them on the nail. Once we're done with the gradient, I'm going to add a coat of this glitter. And now we're gonna stamp a wavy image with gold polish. We remove the liquid latex and we clean up one more time. I'm going to add some gold shell studs to the corner of each nail, adding a little bit of top coat to stick them to the nail. And finally, we add a top coat to all our nails to protect our design. We're now finished with our Beachy wave design. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!